All right, part 4. This is where we're going to get crazy in Revit. We're going to go ahead and create a floor, create a ceiling, and a roof. And I'll also show you how to see things in color, so it's not just our black and white version. So right now we have our walls, we have our door. I just rotated some furniture, still in my 3D view. Now I just switch to the top view. And when I go ahead and create a roof, ceiling, floor, they're all on the top here in that architecture tab. They're all very similar. So I'm just going to start with the floor, click on it once, and then I'm going to make a boundary line for the floor. And if I click on the right side, it gives me this nice line segment. So I choose that. And then I'm just going to start at the center points of like the walls there, call it an endpoint. And just going to take it all the way straight down to the middle, becomes a square, click again. And I'm just going to do the whole perimeter of the classroom. So it's very important when you do the perimeter, it has to connect into one solid shape, and you can't have anything that intersects. So now that I have that, I should be able to hit the green check, and bam, you see the blue thing? That is actually my floor. So it doesn't look like much now. You see that I have my floor here. I could click on it and it's a generic floor. I could click on the properties and I could change it so that it's concrete, if it's wood with a wood finish. And right now, you're not seeing anything right now because we're just in a black and white type of view, so you don't see anything. But if I choose wood finish there, I could choose carpet finish, which we used to have, which was awful. We have ceramic tile, that's what we actually have. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that ceramic tile one now. And it's, again, you don't notice any change until now. On the bottom, there's a little sun with an X, and to the left of that, it says visual style. So I'm going to click on that visual style, and I'm going to choose realistic. And now all of a sudden you see that you have color. So as I zoom in, I could go ahead and rotate around, and I could see all those cabinets. And now it's very clear that I didn't rotate some of these other cabinets. Again, if I wanted to go ahead and hide a wall, I could click on the wall, click on the glasses, hide it, and I could switch my views, and now I could see the door and such. So that's how you go ahead and create a floor. You're going to do similarly for the ceiling and roof. When you do the ceiling, it comes up automatic. Just all you got to do is hit sketch, and then you'll have the same items to choose from when you create your ceiling, and you're going to do the same thing as the floor. I'm going to X out because I'm not actually going to create the ceiling right now. And the roof, similar. It says yes, you could go ahead and move it to level 2, and we could see how to adjust later. But when you create the roof, you want to make sure you choose that line segment, but we want the roof to actually come out some. So you want it to be either like a foot, foot and a half, 2 feet in addition. So you don't want it simply to be right on top. You want it to overhang some. So right now I'm just going with an overhang. I'm not really recording. I'm just kind of doing this so you can see it. And again, it has to all connect. I can't have anything intersect. I hit my green check. There's my roof. I could hit the home button. And now you can see the roof. And if it looks like it's floating a little bit, we could change things. It's definitely floating. I could click on the roof. And when it comes to the base offset, I could change this with like a negative number. I could make it like -2 feet and apply. And now the roof is on top of the walls, and you can see there's the nice little overhang. So that's what we generally want. And yes, I do understand our roof doesn't look like this at our school, and we don't have a roof on just one classroom. It's on the whole building, but this gives you that concept of what you will need when you actually build a house later in the class. So now you can go back, click on the home. Now it looks like a completed room. And just like you could hide a wall, you could click on the roof itself, and you could hit the glasses, and you could choose to hide it, and it'll go away. And if you hit the glasses again, hit reset, and it comes back. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Good luck on finishing the project.